Web hosting? What's that? This is a common question we hear from a lot of people who have, or need, web hosting. Do you have the exact same query? You need not look any further. We're here to help you out. Web hosting is an online service that enables you to publish your website on the internet. When you sign up for a hosting service, you rent space on a server on which you can store all the files necessary for your website to work properly. What exactly is a server then? A server is a physical computer that runs without any interruption so that your website is available all the time. Your web host is responsible for keeping the server up and running, protecting it from malicious attacks. It also transfers your content from the server to your visitors' browsers. There are 5 different types of web hosting. Number 1, shared hosting. With shared hosting, you share a server with other clients. Websites hosted on the same server share resources such as memory, computing power, and disk space. Number 2, VPS hosting. With VPS hosting, you share a server, however, your web host allocates a separate partition for you. This means you get a dedicated server space and a reserved amount of computing power. Number 3, cloud hosting. With cloud hosting, your host provides you with a cluster of servers. When one of the cloud servers is busy, your traffic is automatically routed to another server. Number 3, WordPress hosting. WordPress hosting is created for WordPress site owners. Your server is configured for WordPress and your site comes with plugins for caching and security. Number 4, dedicated hosting. Dedicated hosting means that you have your own server that's dedicated solely to your site. Therefore, dedicated hosting gives you incredible flexibility. Good web hosts should have the following characteristics. It should be reliable. There should be enough space. The web host must provide substantial bandwidth. It should provide 24/7 support. A good web host empowers you to seamlessly serve your content on the internet, provide your visitors with an excellent user experience, and attract as many users as possible to your website. Now, you know everything about web hosting and are ready to get started with a new website. Hope you liked the video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.